Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix unable to find Nvidia control panel. So if you basically right click on your desktop and you don't see this Nvidia control panel, it's really easy fix for that. So first of all, go to services and then just tap on one of the tasks and press Enter. And then you need to look for Nvidia display container ls and then right click on it, and if the program is not running, then you need to press start and this little icon should appear. And if you press start and it's not appearing, then try to restart, right? And after that, if basically this control panel did not appear, the last thing that you can do here, you just need to go to your local disk where you basically install where basically Nvidia files are. And for me it's program files, then Nvidia, where's Nvidia Corporation, and then NV container, and here basically press run this program as administrator. And after you do that, then right click on it and then press send to, and then desktop create a shortcut. And from here, then you can access your Nvidia control panel, right? So that's pretty much it what I want to show you. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.